Ka 76 Republic Day da Lehkmen ni ka ne hamadan jislan chut ku Jowai. Hewa Menteri Sorkar u Commonwealth Imbon duwan wa panhere de makari wa da chimule ya Rastriya Salute de benta ka sandali gidhab wa chimbenta ha March Pass wa kontup ya District Police Jowai ka Government Girls Higher Secondary School NCC ka Meklia Bharat Scout and Guides wa khat arli ki skor wa da emlang lek ki kari Sorkar ki wa pen biam namo gitablo da ki chna Sorkar ki pen yo ki skim wa pen krek kam ki wa ki kam wa ye ki wa le ya March Pass da job da JNV Mukla Jowai hay wa ar de yok St. Right Secondary School Jowai kat wa hay wa le de yok St. Mary's Maxwell Higher Secondary School Jowai. Nebenta ki tablo de job da yung kre account District Horticulture Officer Jowai. Hay wa ar de yok yung kre account District Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Officer Jowai. Kat wa hay wa le de yok yung kre account District Commerce and Industry Center. Hagni ka sngi de pukuk buram le yak warwai wa temo wetnai sur dailang music video ka 6 Meklia Games. Di yok le yak rwai chat isam bam sa ki khana a children's home da ki hek sorkar wa ki sanyo bon.
श्रीमान आज की गणतंत्र दिवस परेड एक परेड कमांडर एक 2IC और 15 कंटिंजेंट आपके निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर है श्रीमान परेड 3 के कॉलम में दाहिने चलेंगे Secondary School Jowai, commanded by Colonel Jowai.
the last year, the overall law and order situation in the state was peaceful. In year 2023-24, the three new legal laws, namely the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Samhita, Bharatiya Nya Samhita, and the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiyam, were implemented with effect from 1st July 2024. However, the Autonomous Council Court will continue to function under the provision of the sixth schedule. The new laws mark a significant shift in the administration of criminal justice with emphasis on the use of technology and forensics. In line with this, the state government has also upgraded the forensic labs in Shillong to a full-fledged Directorate of Forensic Science and also approved the creation of mobile forensic science unit in each district. Further, the Directorate of Prosecution has also been officialized with appointment of directors and assistant public prosecutors. The vision of our government is to make Meghalaya a $10 billion economy by 2020 by doubling our state GDP. With our push toward achieving this goal and strategies are being developed across sectors and investment are being mobilized. The GDP of our state is increased from 23,235 crores in the year 2015 to rupees 53,057 crore in the year 24.
Kalintina pulang rumah bagi kundi hajakin lai tham na kisah cenyak om salia turkut katma baca penriukan roy tanpa dunta Lajuan Bansyam Bentang
Mandala